Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom objects in Zendesk Sunshine. This feature allows you to structure and organize your data in a way that fits your specific business needs, making it easier to track and manage information that's unique to your organization. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to zendesk.com in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your Zendesk workspace, as you'll need administrative permissions to create custom objects. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on it, and this will direct you to the Admin Center. The Admin Center is where you'll manage all the backend settings and configurations for your Zendesk account, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this area. In the Admin Center, focus your attention on the left side panel again. Here, click on Objects and Rules. This section houses all the tools you need to customize how data is structured within Zendesk. Under Custom Objects, you'll see an option labeled Objects. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're ready to create your custom object. Click on Create Object to begin the setup process. This is where you'll define what your custom object represents and how it will appear in your system. You'll first need to add a display name for your object. This is the singular name that will identify your object throughout Zendesk. Next, add a plural display name as well. This ensures that when multiple records are displayed, they're labeled correctly and consistently. If you'd like, you can add a description for your object. This step is optional, but it's helpful for providing context to other administrators or team members who might work with this object in the future. You'll also notice a couple of checkboxes available. You can check the box next to add image icons for individual records if you want visual identifiers for each record. Additionally, you can check Add Attachments to individual records if you need the ability to upload files directly to individual records within this object. These options add functionality and make your data more interactive. Once you've configured these initial settings, click Create Object. The system will process your request and set up the foundation for your custom object. Give it a moment to complete this action. After your object is created, you'll see a Fields tab appear. Click on it to access the Field Management area. This is where you can fine-tune the structure of your object by defining what information each record will contain. In this section, you'll see the fields that are part of your object. You have full control here. You can remove fields that aren't needed, edit the order in which they appear, or add new fields to capture additional data. This flexibility ensures your custom object perfectly matches your workflow requirements. Next, navigate to the Permissions tab. Here you can view the permission settings for your object, which control who can access and modify the data within it. This is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that only authorized users can interact with sensitive information. If needed, you can also create access rules in this section. Access rules allow you to define specific conditions under which users can view or edit records, giving you granular control over data access. Once you've finished editing your object and setting up all the necessary configurations, click Save to finalize everything. Your custom object is now active and ready to be used within your Zendesk environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.